McAlpine's men, with their shovels along behind them. 'Twas in the pub they drank the sub, and up in the spike you'll find them. They sweated blood and they washed down mud with pints and quarts of beer. And now we're on the road again with McAlpine's Fusiliers. Well, I stripped down the skin with darky fin, way down in the Isle of Grain. With a horse-faced tool, sure I knew the rule, no money if you stop for rain. McAlpine's God was a well-built hod, your shoulders cut to bits and seared. And woe to he who went to look for tea with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I remember the day when the barrow shade fell into a concrete stairs. What the horse-face said when he found him dead, well, it wasn't what the rich call prayers. I'm a navvy short was the one retort that reached down to my ears. Oh, when the going gets rough, well, you must be tough with McAlpine's Fusiliers. With Russians, Czechs and Poles on the shuttering jams in the hydro dams or underneath the Thames in a hole. I grafted hard and I got me card and many a ganger's fist across me ears. Oh, if you pride your life, well, don't join by Christ with McAlpine's Fusiliers. If you pride your life, well, don't join by Christ with McAlpine's Fusiliers. With McAlpine's Fusiliers. Thank you.